Hey guys, so Oracle is having an event called Race to Certification 2025, and this basically runs from the 1st of July until October 31st, so that's the cutoff date. And with this you can basically take the exams in AI or cloud infrastructure. So for AI you can do the AI fundamentals or generative AI exams, and then for cloud infrastructure you can do your OCI architect or networking or DevOps or whatever you're into. And yeah, all you need to do is click the join the race button here to get started and then sign in with your Oracle account. And basically what you get when you sign up for this challenge is 2 free exam attempts, and you gain access to all of their learning videos. Now below this they show a list of all of the exams that they offer here. So you can see they offer a few AI ones and then a few on cloud infrastructure. There's a lot here for cloud infrastructure. And then they also have multi-cloud and data platform. So I'm not really into these two, so I'm not sure what they're about. And then below this they have some awards and prizes which you gain for completing the exams. I'll look at this in a bit, so I'm just going to skip past it for now. And here they have the official rules and the frequently asked questions. So I'm just going to go through this quickly. Basically, who's eligible to participate. So this is open to everyone, regardless of whether you've done anything like this before or you have any previous certifications, or even regardless of your age and stuff. You can just compete in this and take on any one of those exams. And then there's no prerequisites or anything like that. Is there any cost associated? So this is completely free. There's nothing you need to pay at all. And then here is an important question: how many exams can I take as part of this promotion? So you can take 2 exams using your free attempts, which they give you just for signing up, and then they give you additional attempts for rewards here. As I mentioned before, there's a reward system up here. So basically, to gain these rewards, once you hit join the race up here and you sign in and all of that stuff, they'll take you to this page right here, where at the top here you can see all of the courses that you can take, and you can hit start on any one of these to begin. And yeah, there's some AI, there's some cloud infrastructure. There's actually a lot here in cloud infrastructure. And then there's some multi-cloud and data here. And once you hit start and complete one of these courses, you'll gain access to the certification journey thing down here, which is kind of like a leveling system in the game. You get level 1 by completing 1 course, and as a reward for that you'll gain 1 additional exam attempt. So basically you gain 2 free exam attempts just by signing up, and then once you complete your first course you gain an additional exam attempt as well, so that brings it up to 3. So now if you've completed 2 exams, you now gain a 4th exam attempt for free as well. And then to achieve level 3 you need to complete 4 exams in total. So basically you only have 4 attempts if you've completed level 2. So to achieve level 3 you need to have passed with all of those 4 attempts that they gave you, and then they'll give you a 5th additional attempt here. So if you basically manage to make it through all of this, at the end you'll end up with 5 certifications in your name. And then if you're one of the top 500 people who completed this in the fastest time and stuff, you also gain 2 free exam attempts again at the end. So that will bring your total up to 7. So 7 certificates in your name. And yeah, there's also other stuff you get here for each of these tiers, but they're not really that useful. The most important thing is just the additional exam attempt here. And yeah, that's how you'd get any of these exams for free. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, drop a like. Also, I do a lot of coding stuff on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed if you like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.